What's up, Cricks? So we are back again with another challenge with Shawn Lee versus
dennisyin.
I actually saw this video on David So comedy.
Shout out to David So. I like you know, you're very funny people.
Sneezing with your eyes open. It's a myth. So there is a very slight chance of me winning because, as you know, my eyes are like typical Asian eyes.
And my eyes are like.
So even though
Asian eyes.
if my eyes are open when I sneeze, you're probably gonna say that my eyes are closed. So as you can see, Dennis are rolling up the ammo. Have you actually voluntarily make yourself sneeze before?
I have never thought it was possible.
It's actually very. I tried it before. It's very like ticklish, and then you sometimes your facial will twitch a bit, and sometimes you'll be like, Dennis, I heard you got a flu.
If you can hear, I got a lot of phlegm in my throat. I just healed from being sick, cough. I had sore throat. So if in this video I were to sneeze and a lot of what is that called? That time you souvenir.
You put it in the box and we'll send it to you. Just comment below and we'll send you an address.
Your address, your PO box, and
then we're gonna send you in a bottle. Dennis.
Yes.
So okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, are we? You're gonna stuff tissue in our nose. My mom's so gonna be disappointed with me.
Okay.
Yours will be wet because you got flu and you have to change a lot.
It's amazing.
Please don't put it on the table.
They said there's a G spot right inside upper
corner. I don't know, I'm just gonna tickle and just go in there and find my way out. It's ticklish.
Throat.
Yeah! Feeling it? Feeling it, Dennis?
You have to focus when you do that. It's ticklish.
Ah! It's so itchy. It's itchy. It's itchy more than.
Yeah, it's not ticklish, it's more itchy. You all should try this, it's fun.
Okay. I'm actually tearing. Are you tearing?
I'm tearing, I don't know, I can't.
I don't know why am I tearing.
Use another one for the left side.
I'm tearing, why? As you can see, I'm getting ready my biggest eye. So that I won't close it. It's gonna take forever. Oh god! Wait, no fair, you got it first. Okay.
Oh, that was fun.
Try second round. Up, that's our three.
Focus.
Where is the spot? I'm sneeze proof. Oh gosh.
Oh, there was one coming, but then it gone.
Do you open your eyes?
I opened one.
Oh my goodness, you're tearing. Dennis, it's okay.
I'm
Dennis,
telling you, my girlfriend. Oh my god.
it's okay. Dennis, I'm here. Gosh, how the hell?
To go all the way in.
All in.
I think
Okay.
it's sort of like twisted inside, then after that only you start.
Oh, it seems that Dennis became the sneezing
I'm the
professor.
sneezing master Shifu of Malaysia.
My mouth just sneezed.
Don't turn, just poke in, out, you know what I'm saying? If I get this before Shawn, I win. Left side.
I got this.
Okay, now you feel one time.
I got this, okay.
Roll one, use one, enter your nose and sneeze one. Roll one. This is Shawn. Last one.
I got a technique in it, so it's fast. It's gonna be so fast. So fast. That was not sneeze.
Oh my god, I think we win. Like, your eyes is opening like that. I'm just gonna cheat and do one more.
Looks like a Harry Potter wand. Wingardium Leviosa.
It's called the sneezing challenge, not the coughing challenge, sir.
Whoa! 2 in 1!
Don't laugh! Focus! I saw that the extra.
Oh god, that's disgusting. Alright, so this is the end of the challenge.
Yeah, we've done it.
It's quite torturing though, because it's like.
But all three, your eyes is like.
Subscribe if you want to see more. Tweet us or Instagram us. Shawn Lee versus dennisyin.
Dennisyin.
The sneeze screw up my brain. Whatever you're doing, quick it up.
In your nose.
It was in the nose just now.
Yes. Now you sneeze.
Yeah. You're gonna stuff tissue in our nose. My mom's so gonna be disappointed with me.